Oh yeah, here we go. We are back once again, guys, with another unboxing / unwrapping video. Today we're going to be unwrapping Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimate for the PS4. Hell yeah, man. I cannot wait to get into this bad boy and start playing it. That to the side. Okay. So we'll take a look at the front here, which has all the DLC, PS5 upgrade available. Cool. Includes Kombat Pack 1, 2, and the Aftermath expansion. Nice. This is kick-ass. Side there. Now we got the back. So cool, man. You got fucking RoboCop and Terminator and Rambo and shit. That's crazy. And Spawn. All 37 fighters. Oh man. Oh yeah. Stories of all features and modes. Nice. This is crazy though, but it takes up 80 gigabytes. Damn. PS4 Pro Enhanced, 2 discs. As you can see here, it is 2 discs. You got the play disc here, or insert play disc second. Okay. And this is the data disc. Insert data disc first. It's funny, I like the data disc cover better than the actual game cover. That's, you know, but it's all good. Fantastic fighting game series, man. I'm so looking forward to jumping into this bad boy and doing some gameplays for you guys on my channel. So anyways, yep, that is it for my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Smash the fuck out of that like button. I'm out of here, and later.